Commission is a child of the oldest ecological treaty in the world, which is between the United States and Canada, which got formed to anticipate the environmental cost of taking water out of the Niagara River. So both Canada and the United States agreed to make a restitution payment, require the power company to pay back the community for water withdrawn. The new agreement on the U.S. side is that going forward we would form a Niagara River Greenway Commission, and they would develop a plan and implement a plan to reinvest that money, which is $9 to $10 million a year for 50 years. And so the public is now asked to come present projects to the Greenway Commission on how that money can best be spent. We said we're going to form a set of priorities, and we're going to encourage projects to come in that meet our top priority first. So the top priority was to complete the spine of the trail. We've now gotten to the point where we've closed all the gaps but one, and we're hard at work at that one. So we now have leaving downtown Buffalo a trail that comes up high in the air and terminates in an overlook that looks out at Canada across the Niagara River. You can see the sunset, and then behind the overlook is a miniature Peace Bridge, like a scale model of the Peace Bridge that covers 4 lanes of highway. Big problem in greenways is highways separate the people from the water. So we have this fabulous new bicycle pedestrian bridge that connects the two, and so that's our most spectacular new addition. On the East Coast, we don't have to go very far to touch Vermont and to go across the bridge and bring the Canadians in. I can see where 5 years from now we're going to connect to the I Heart Trail, and that'll be a real thing, and you'll be able to go from Buffalo to Pittsburgh. And that's where we're beginning to see what the next chapter could be. Pretty exciting.